You see, I think Chris Benoit had carbon monoxide poisoning because, you know, all his whole family was poisoned. Because he came home and they were all coughing up blood, food poisoning symptoms, and food symptoms, or carbon monoxide poisoning symptoms. And if he had the brain of a 9-year-old vegetable lasagna, he would not be walking. He'd be in a nursing home. So, carbon monoxide can cause brain damage. And so when you talk about when you talk about Chris Benoit probably exhibited every symptom of carbon monoxide poisoning. And that's the truth. And they were all murdered. He didn't murder us. About a